Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we'll be discussing our top secret trick used by astronauts to fight viruses. Ivan Neumyvakin was the head doctor of the Russian space agency. When launching the first astronauts into space, he was in charge of their health. He developed a system to keep them in optimal health before and after launch, while in space, as them getting sick in space would be catastrophic to the mission. Some of his memorable accolades are: he would be the equivalent of NASA's Chief Health and Medical Officer, Lieutenant General in 2005, Russia's Person of the Year in 2006, and he has been quoted by NASA in various studies to this day. You can search NASA's records yourself. So what is this magical substance? The key ingredient is sodium bicarbonate, food grade NaHCO₃, also known as baking soda. So why use it? Simply put, it alkalinizes your body's pH level and acts as an internal body scrub. How does it work? The solution is activated with heat and absorbed with steam and water. How do you use it? Balance. The correct method and dosage are key in this case. Most viruses enter your body via your open orifices, so primarily your mouth, eyes, and nose. With the facial steamer, you sterilize those openings, while the sodium bicarbonate optimizes your body's inner pH levels so that it's in its optimal condition and has more energy to fight off any viruses that may have gotten past the sterilization process. Let's take a look at how to use the steamer. We start off with boiling the water, preferably filtered or spring water, to at least 85 to 100 degrees Celsius. Pour the boiled water in a cup and add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. You want to see the chemical reaction between the hot water and the soda, those small, tiny white bubbles. This is a key part of the process. Mix well until dissolved, cool until you're able to drink it comfortably. Do not ingest extremely hot or cold liquids. Your internal organs are extremely sensitive. If it's too hot or too cold to touch, it's too hot or too cold to digest. Do not drink more than 1/4 teaspoon or your body will flush it out the opposite end. Add some of the solution to the steamer, about 50 to 100 milliliters. Wait for it to boil and inhale for about 10 minutes. You will want to test your pH levels and keep track of the results in a journal. Please note that your pH varies depending on the time of day. You will want to test your pH in the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. Your body and its organs serve various processes throughout the day and produce less or more acids to suit the needs and functions of the organs. For example, your body will produce more acid during the day to process food, while less acid is needed during the detox process at night. What are the side effects? If you take too much too fast before your body acclimatizes to the soda, it may flush it out, aka diarrhea. Another key part of Dr. Neumyvakin's strategy was to not mix water and food within 15 to 30 minutes of each other. The stomach treats food and water separately, and water dilutes the acids and enzymes that break down the food. The facial steamer has become part of my daily routine, as I use it for everything from helping me with my allergies, clearing up my acne, disinfecting my toothbrush and razor, has greatly helped me with my razor bumps on my skin as well. It's also helped me with my anxiety and paranoia with this whole quarantine situation. If you are interested, we sell our immune system boost kits with our facial steamers, premium food grade sodium bicarbonate, essential oils, and a pH test kit all in one. I will leave a link in the description. You can use a basic cooking pot and stove, but be careful not to burn yourself in the process. It wasn't fun. Premium food grade baking soda that does not use chemical agents as a stabilizer is also recommended for use with this process. Keep an eye out for our next video on how to use the steamer and baking soda as a facial cleansing routine. Thank you for your time and for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. If you'd like more information, please visit oceansplash.ca. Thank you.